Hi, once again, I'm back, Kaushik Chatterjee. In this video, again, we are going to discuss the same series, how to make money. And here we are going to discuss again a new topic, and that is all about your small investment and big returns. Very interesting. Most of the people they will be looking for all this kind of solution, all this kind of like key kind of solution, like where I can invest a little bit low and I can make even huge money from that. So let me tell you, as I have already even shared even most of the videos, even couple of videos, it is very important. Even though whatever service, whatever even advice, whatever people you meet, even who is your financial consultant or maybe your financial advisor, by end of the day, it is your hard-earned money. It is your own money. Even though you are in service, you are maybe doing a business, whatever it is. So you have to decide, if I'm going to invest, what exactly will be the return out of it, which tool I need to use, what extent risk I need to take, what exactly even the time frame I need to create, and what purpose I'm going to use for this money, and what exactly the entire corpus even I can create even from this kind of investment. It could be your one investment, could be your multiple investment, or could be even your multiple returns, or maybe multiple ways of getting money also. You have to be very well planned even before you invest even a single rupee also to any of the tool or maybe any of the investment. Why? That all you are going to discuss in this video, and you will understand that small things and that small investment, how you can make even huge money. And also we are into discussion on the same topic, how to make money. Now, first and foremost thing, there is no even basic thumb rule. You have to invest for certain XYZ amount. There is no fixed amount. You can start even our SIP, if I look out even 100 rupees. Even you can start even lot of even investment, even which is even RD also, if I talk, even any kind of post office thing also, if I talk. So I'm not getting into all those products, all those kind of discussion. But what I meant to say, any tool you decide, if you have 100 rupees, and that could be your monthly, that could be your yearly also, you can even start your investment. So money is not a important discussion over here. It is you have to decide. If I am going to invest, let's say, or let's say if my probability of investment is, it is only 100 rupees, so definitely my investment, I mean my returns, I cannot expect even 100 crores. You're getting my point. If I'm investing, let's say, monthly even 100 rupees, so I cannot even expect, let's say, 100 crores to return out of it. So that is the one thing you have to logically and theoretically you have to understand. So basic part we are clear. So there is no nothing, you decide how much you want to start, you decide how much you want to invest. But tool is very important, and as I told you, your analysis is very important. Rather than whom you are taking a suggestion, whom you are following, whom you are actually even contacting, that is important. But combine all together, if you look out, it is your decision, it is very important. Now, so let's say I'm just giving an example. So again, people will be asking, people will be thinking in the same way, like how much exactly ideally I need to invest. So as I told you, typically if you ask me, whatever your all other you're earning, right? Even though you are a businessman, you are a serviceman, your fixed income, even your irregular income, whatever it is coming to your account as a businessman. Or let's say if you're a freelancer, even uh, let's say in a month, how many I mean in a year, how many months you're working, what is your payment mode and all, and what is your total uh, payment. And that also you can divide even what is your working month, and based on that one, what is your total even yearly, even by 12 months. So you can also take out your average income out of it. So this is the all kind of people who are actually watching this video, or maybe they are actually having this kind of set of earning stability, or earning even probability. Now, if let's say if I'm giving an example, let's say if somebody's income is, let's say, 1 lakh. I'm just taking a basic example. If let's say somebody's income is 1 lakh, so I have my basic expense, I have my, let's say, other expense, even I have my some utility expense. So all put together, if I look out, what is my exactly the saving part. So as I have given a formula, but if you're following, definitely you know what is the rule. But if you're not even able to follow that much, because I don't know what combination of family you have, what combination of uh, let's say commitment you have. So irrespective of all this, if I look out, on, let's say, 10 lakh, I mean, sorry, 1 lakh, if I look out, 10% of this you should have a regular even investment. I can say it should be even your disciplined investment every month. When I'm talking discipline means there should not be having any break. What is disciplined investment? We have already made a video. You can go, you can watch that discipline investment video, and then you can come back to this video so that you will have a better idea of what exactly the definition of discipline video, and then you can understand that why this is also this terminology also it is very very important. So 1 lakh of 10% is how much? Very simple. It is 10,000. This 10,000, if I'm going to invest, so again, I'm not going to discuss about the tool already. We have a couple of things already have discussed. So now let's say here I'm giving you all the tools. I'm going to invest 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, or maybe 2,000, 2,000, 2,000, all the tools, maybe FD, maybe my RD, maybe my SIP, maybe my any kind of mutual fund, anything, maybe share market, maybe even insurance premium. So all the tools, whatever you have already discussed. So let's say based on my 10,000, I'm going to choose, let's say, 5 tools. So 2,000, or maybe based on my amount, even I'm going to choose, let's say, even 10,000. So all 10 tools, even your gold, even your silver, even your all other even materials, whatever you are going to buy, that is also your investment. So this part also you are clear. So first, how much is my income? Based on that, 10% minimum I need to invest. If I'm not able to do this 10%, so definitely we are not in the same discussion. So there is no point like how much I invest. I don't want to invest. I don't want to get returns. I don't want to make money. That's it. Very simple. But if I at least expect certain kind of investment return, so that should be on my income. It is 10%. That is the first discussion we have done. Second, what way I'm going to invest this one? Everywhere. What are the tools you know? Even though we have not discussed, if you know something, better for you, you just go ahead. Whether it could be 10, 5, whatever it is. So you divide your money. So if it is 5 tools, then definitely 2,000. If it is 10 tools, then definitely it is 1,000. So that also you are clear. Now, the third is very very important. So here what I am going to do actually, so here also if I choose all those 5 even 10 tools whatever already I told you or suggested you, so probably some will be higher return, some will be medium return, some will be even lower return. So I need to set a tone, like on what basis, on what tenure, as I discussed in the beginning itself, and which year I am going to create what corpus. So let's say I'm just giving again a simple example. So let's say 10,000 if I'm going to invest, let's say over a period of time, let's say 20 years, a regular way. So each and every year, how much I'm going to invest? It is around 1,20,000. So 20 years, how much I'm going to invest? It is almost your 20,000, 20 lakh, 24 lakhs. So 24 lakhs, let's say if I'm going to invest, and after 20th year, let's say I've decided to take a retirement, or let's say whatever other even commitment, that 20th year, by putting this 24 lakhs, what will be my set of expectation? I'm not talking about, yes, you don't even set an expectation, you set an expectation. So probably let's say I'm looking even 5 times or maybe 6 times or maybe 10 times on a higher note. So 10 times if I look out on 24 lakhs of my investment amount, how much it is? 2 lakh, 2 crore 40 lakh, I mean 2.4 crore. Very simple. So if I invest to 24 lakhs over a period of 20 years, so I'm expecting that money should be 2.4 crores as my corpus when I'll be reaching, let's say, 50 or 60 or 70 or 80 or beyond that. If you set this tone, so what will happen? You have to make your own portfolio. Maybe you can maintain your own Excel, or maybe you can maintain even your own even pen and paper diary, whatever even people are watching this video. So whatever your comfort, so you have to maintain, and you have to regularly you have to take a note, maybe weekly, maybe your fortnight, maybe monthly, that what investment you have done, this is your investment amount, and what exactly the growth, and based on that one you can actually monitor like what exactly the returns you are getting. Why it is so important? Because that actually leading your entire even calculation towards your 20 years. Now if it is breaking, let's say, so let's say after 10 years if I realize I have already invested 12 lakhs, but if I look out even by 20th year, if I'm looking 2.5, 2.4 crores, that is not coming, it is far away. If I feel after 5 years, that is not happening. If I feel after 10 years, it is not happening. So what you need to do, if you check regularly, if you monitor your own investment, if you monitor your own portfolio on a regular basis, so you can do a manipulation kind of things. What do you mean by manipulation? Means maybe my one fund is not working, maybe my one tool is not working, maybe let's say this particular portfolio amount is not working. So I can also increase where the money is actually giving me high returns. I can also even pull down that money to add even some other even fund also. So what is happening? Let's say somewhere I'm getting, let's say, a less return, but somewhere I'm getting unexpected return. So what I'm going to do, stop there 2000 or maybe the 10,000, and I'm going to invest that 10,000 over there. So it is my double. So what is happening? Double also you are going to get even a double benefit, and that is only possible when you are exactly going to monitor even your own investment on a regular basis, fortnight, year, I mean monthly or quarterly. And you have to do this. As always I say, it is your money, your own hard-earned money. So whatever you are going to invest, not like living that money, you have to monitor. Even though you're listening, even though you are getting a lot of information, you're gathering a lot of information, but where you are going to use this information? If you're not going to use this information, ideally if you're looking living your own even portfolio like this, even if you're lucky, if you're going to get even 2.4, you will be happy. But all of a sudden on the 90th year, if you realize no, it is far away, you have no time, and you're going to not lose your money. You are not even going to make your portfolio what exactly you have expected. So that is what, from the day one, from the day you start your investment, you have to monitor and you have to decide, if I'm going to invest 10,000 over a period of 20 years, over a period of 24 lakhs, I should get minimum 10 times of this return. And that should be your expectation. So it is low or it is high, it is not a big matter. It is how you are going to monitor, how you are going to even make from 10,000 investment to 2 point crore even money. That is most important. Any further questions, any further even discussion, you're always welcome to my mailbox, always welcome to my chat box. Even though if you want any kind of face to face, even let's say any kind of one to one even discussion, also even on my WhatsApp group, I'm ready to help you out. But yes, I'm not here to promote any kind of service, any kind of product. It is only with my 20 plus years experience, I'm just going to share with you, and that only I'll be sharing also. So if it is going to be helpful for you, I'll be the happiest. Thanks for watching.
Every night, I we paradise, paradise seems so far away.